Девочки, помочь? Okay. It's cool. Как получается? Ага.
Все,
Да, завязывай. Можешь разочек.
большую связь.
Давай. Давай, тяни подушку. Ага. Ничего страшного. Давай еще надо тебе зарезать. Are you good, guys?
No.
Сейчас мы сделаем.
Pretty.
It's okay. It's tiny paw.
I'm into the details.
Does anyone need help? No? Everything's fine?
I see so much. I hope.
Can I take a photo of what you have so far? Can you show me? So cool. Okay, are we ready to go on?
1 second.
Okay, sure.
We're on a very important step.
Yeah, it's true. Arms are really important. I think actually it's the hardest part of measurement. It's going to be easier. You are doing everything by yourself. No one helps you.
No one helps me.
Oh. Just let
No,
me
no.
know, I can help you.
I'm a self-made, it's okay. Yeah, but I got the challenge. So it's fine.
Oh yeah, you're doing so well. That's cool. Look good.
Отлично.
Yeah. Okay. I think everybody's ready, right?
Yeah.
Fabric for the first time.
So yeah, can I show you? So you just put this part right to the neck.
Oh. My one is not bad. Маленький мальчик.
Let's put the string. Put the string across the one shoulder.
Across one shoulder, like diagonally. Like a couple of times so that it is really firm and right in place.
Shoulder across the other shoulder.
The other shoulder now.
Around and around the waist.
I'll do it. Yes, you need like a long, long thread for it. Yeah.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
So, does anyone need help? We can provide it. Just let us know.
Yes.
Oh, so beautiful.
Both shoulders? Or just
Yeah,
one?
both shoulders.
Super cool.
So first like right.
Gosh.
Get it? And I'll be around.
One shoulder, shoulder ratio.
Wenn halt nicht genau.
Nice looking like a prisoner.
It looks strange.
I want to go out. No.
You want to kill her?
But, you know, from Africa, this fox with
Yeah.
submarines here. And
Yes, I know.
no, it's a different culture. You have to be open-minded. So,
Как это называется?
Gonna be my pretty sorry.
Можешь еще раз завязать, чтобы было надежнее.
cape. Really, you know?
Whoa.
Cape. Maybe from India.
Yes, you Thailand.
Yeah.
Like,
What you said. Let them all.
yes, very much.
Okay, are you all good? Is everything fine?
Yes.
Can you show me what you have so far so that I can take a photo? Okay. Amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, cool. Okay, are we ready for the next step? Okay, Sasha, show us. Let's make the wings. The most important part of an angel, the wings. Okay.
Take the square piece of fabric. Fold is diagonal. Take the stitch and tie it up fabric in the middle.
Try to make this thread like a little bit longer because you will need it.